Here he is, look.
Gentleman.
It's the man.
About
the fucking ass.
Look at that. I only ever see you guys on the telly.
On the TV, yeah.
Good to see you as well, mate. You alright? Nice to meet you. Yeah. I came down because I wanted him to show me how to weld for a minute.
Oh, we'll get you welded.
Yeah.
You'll be welded by the end of the...
So I thought that would be good fun. I mean, I can do stick, but I've never touched a MIG or a TIG or anything like that in my life.
We'll do a little bit on stick first.
Yeah.
See, because you've
MIG's
got one
doing
over.
it. Yeah.
I want to see what you can do with that. No, breakfast was plenty. That's why there's poops.
So I said to her, have you got your passport? She goes, passport? I said, yes, love. I said, we're going into Wales, it's another country. They speak a different language. I'm so sorry, I should have told you this. And she goes, I didn't bring my passport. I said, right. I said, well, what you're going to have to do is take your seatbelt off and get down in the footwell. I said, look, you can see the bar coming up like this, you know, with the toll coming up. I said, that's the border control, that is. She goes, no. And I said, yeah, you're going to have to. So she starts taking the seatbelt off. Anyway, I let her off the hook. As we got closer.
Oh dear.
Yeah, that's a dual pole dual throw, that is. So what you could do, you lost me, is...
I could connect all those wires and just pick them for a plug.
Exactly, yeah. But what you could also do is you could connect the two blue rolls together. Right, would you mind?
Yeah, of course, no, you fucking go for it. No, it's not plugged in, mate, it's not plugged in.
Yeah, okay.
Connect the two together and then two brains on the top.
Exactly.
Ah, fucking hell. I'm an electronics engineer now.
Why not?
I've just learned a new skill. And it's just switch properly, right?
Oh, don't worry, it's only 2 or 3 quid, I think. Maybe a fiver, don't know.
2 or 3 quid, maybe a fiver.
Yeah. I've ordered shed loads of them.
Oh yeah. They're fucking cool switches, mine.
They are wicked, aren't they?
Cool as fuck.
So if you just make yourself up a little panel for that now, you should be able to get that. There you go.
What, the kill switch will still work, will it?
It'll just be switched on and off.
All right.
Yeah, no, exactly. That's the thing. Is that now it's a little bit more.
It's dubious.
Dubious. Yeah.
Right.
It's a little bit more dubious.
Right.
Dubious. About 3 or 4 minutes.
Well, I'm glad that worked, mate. I'm happy that.
Right, where's that bag of motors we got? We went running backwards.
Yeah, all 3-phase. Yeah, nice.
No, we give up with that. Everybody said, all you got to do is this wire, that wire, and it'll run backwards. Oh, no, it won't.
Yeah, you need they're interesting things, 3-phase motors, aren't they?
I know fuck all about electrics.
Yeah, possible. I mean, you know, there's people doing them.
There's a mate of mine who lives over this way. I went to the festivals with him, rock festivals. Okay. And he said there's a rock bar called the Rock Bar, which is almost walking distance from the hotel.
I didn't know that existed.
So I said, all right, well maybe we'll catch him around there at some point. I don't want a big heavy one. My mum's suffering from dementia and I need to go and see her in the morning. But I'm happy to have, 6 or 7 pints. Do you mind any of this being on show?
It's all normally on there anyway. The only thing that's not normally on is me.
Yeah, it's true actually, yeah.
You gotta make sure you get this handle, I guess. So I was just on my way to work and Jason said, right, I was stupid, mind popping in first. Didn't want to wrong with you.
Well, I don't know this, to be honest, mate.
So I said, yeah, I'll pop in yours first, I might wait to work. So,
Yeah. Are you off to work, are you, today?
yeah.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
No, I only work for fun, I don't work for
Oh, that's right then, okay.
So what's that called exactly?
What's that then? Oh, it's a little Sony...
So it's like a memo thing, is it?
Yeah, Sony voice recorder, yeah.
Yeah. So how did that wig fit on top? Is it plug-in?
It's 3D printed. I bought the cheap.
Right.
Oh, there we go.
So it plugs in the top.
Yeah. So, well, to be honest, the wig is just to stop the wind from causing...
Yeah,
exactly.
Good idea. Because I did try that idea, but I just never had a decent mic.
No. So the good... Right then. Rob Nurden started me singing that tune. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to do some welding. This is going to be absolutely brilliant. I'm not particularly good at welding. I do a bit of stick welding and it looks like a flock of starlings came over and pooed all over my metal work. The great news today, we have Dr. Jason Andrews.
Control that rod and keep it straight.
Okay.
And we'll go over the ampage requirements for the rod you're using. We'll keep the rod good.
Well, there you go. That was Jason and Howard. Nice to see Howard. Lives up the top. But I gotta go to work, so I can't stay. We got a disabled lift to put in the back of a car, so I know they want that done today, so I promised I'd be there as well. So as I said, nice seeing them, and away to go, away to fucking go. The magical mystery tour is waiting to take you away. Waiting to take me away, take me today. And then pretend you just come back from shopping. And it's better than a set of flicking ramps, to put it that way.
Well, I think we've been more fucking feed on face.
It'll just take a few times to learn the method, won't it?